Hello, I'm happy to share with you the new plant-based food art masterminds. I'm Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition, and I really first started learning about the real power of food 25 years ago when my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer and the conventional doctors gave her 6 months to live. After that, I've learned so much over the years. I worked with Dr. Andrew Weil for 9 years in marketing and learned so much about nutrition and food from him. Studied at the Institute for Integrative Nutrition in 2007. Again, learn more about food and nutrition. I actually had the actual opportunity to work with former NFL football players and the Super Bowl, teaching them about healthy food and healthy eating. And over the last 10 years, I have been leading hundreds and thousands of cooking classes, hands-on events here in Phoenix, Arizona, plant-based farm to table. And what I'm doing now is I'm taking the knowledge that I have from all of these experiences along with 610 hours of plant-based culinary training together in these plant-based food art masterminds. So I welcome you to our new courses and enjoy cooking, everybody. It's Melanie Albert. Start with beautiful food, fresh food from our local farmers. So let's take a look at the veggies for today's avocado tartare. We have the avocados, the graffiti cauliflower, our roots. All of the ingredients have been mindfully chopped for the avocado tartare, and I feel like we can still see the beauty of the food. Getting the ingredients set for the carrot cake is really a very mindful, fun process. And the first thing that I'm going to do is process the raw cashews in the food processor until it becomes flour. I'm happy to share the carrot cake with you, with the food art saucing, with the raspberry sauce, edible flowers, berries. Share with you a glimpse of food art. To me, this is the epitome of food art. Beautiful food that looks and tastes great. So I hope you enjoy creating your own version of food art as much as I do. It's Melanie Albert with Experience Nutrition.